Okay, so this is our birding site, the new one that I discovered. This will be quick exploring or scouting. Let's see, fingers crossed, sana makarami tayo. So far, puro calls tsaka sounds lang naririnig ko. So, still scouting. Well, hoping for the best. I think that's kokal. Yeah, that's a crab. Grabe. Galing.
At habang binabaybay ko ang ilog, parang may nakita akong blong ibon. At may bonus pa, isang mangrove blue flycatcher. And here are your honorable mentions.
Grabe guys, success kahit mabilis lang tayo dito. Nakuha natin yung black nape monarch tsaka mangrove blue flycatcher. Success.